Just one deal can change your life.
I tell you that I've never met anyone like Carl in the business world who's just done so much at such a high level, and yet is willing to come down and show the rest of us how he got there.
It's exceeded my expectations with all the one-on-one attention that Carl's willing to give you.
If I hadn't have met Carl, none of this would have happened.
Yeah, it's been great working with Carl.
The ability to just get on the phone with Carl.
I think this is my guy.
You don't need more time. You need to make the time you actually have mean something. That is why we're here.
Me, Carl Allen. If you don't know this guy, he has bought and sold over 400 businesses.
And all the large companies, they buy their growth. Anything you want in business, you can acquire, and you can use other people's money to do it.
We buy cars, we don't build them. We buy cell phones, we don't build them. We buy laptops, we don't build them. So if we're buying all the things in life that we need, why do people start businesses instead of buying?
You are one deal away from changing your life. You don't need to build from scratch. You don't need millions in the bank. You just need the right strategy and someone who's been there. In the last 3 decades, I've analyzed thousands of businesses in over 17 countries and acquired more than 400 of them. I've built empires through acquisitions and helped thousands of entrepreneurs do the same. Join me this October and I'll guide you step by step through how to buy a real business, build real cash flow and create real freedom. If you're serious about wealth, this is where it begins.